Pie charts allows us to visualize our data, especially if you have items less than 5 or sometimes 6. It's desired that you can represent not more than 6 items in a pie chart. Now we want to create what you call a pie of a pie, where you show a proportion of a whole. You take some values from the first pie and combine them in a second pie to make small percentages. You can also create what you call bar of pie. This one takes some values from the first pie and combines them in a stacked bar to make small percentages. Now get your data here. I have product 1 to 6, annual sales in millions. So insert pie, then I'll start with the pie of pie. After that, you'll see that Excel automatically creates a pie from this item, but we don't know what this is. So first we can show the labels. So I can say add data labels. So to add numbers like that. But I want to show these labels in percentages. So I'll click and format labels. I'll format labels like that and tell Excel to only show percentages like this. So if you see this, before we add values like that, you'll see what Excel has shown is 849. So this 849 and broke it down to 418 and 431. So it means it has broken and brought the last two products. So this in ascending order like this. In descending order, you'll see what Excel shows here is the top two items. So you can either choose to show the bottom three or the top three items. If I want to show the top three items, I can sort this in ascending order. So I know I want to show the top three items. You click on the pie and go here on format data series. You'll see values on second plot is 2. You can change this to 3 like that, and this shows you the top three product sets. So that way you can see the total here is 1212, and that is the number that you're seeing here. I can change the design so that the numbers are much more clearer, like this, so that it's more clear. So that is when you do pie of pie. If you do a bar of pie, you can start by inserting that, then insert the what we call the bar of pie. So I'd come here and show. You see that it has created the two, that is the top two items. If I want to see the three bottom product sales, I can sort this in descending order like that. So I see the top three, the bottom three, add data labels like this. So this shows me then I can do three items like that. And you can see it has given me 362, 345, and 197. You can also show this in percentages by formatting this and show only the bottom three products. You can also show here and tell Excel what do I need, anything that is below say 10%. So for example, if I was to create here the percentages, I'll put here the totals like that. Then I'll come to equal sign, then sales divided by total like that, and then like that. You see that? So that is just for visual to visualize. Now when I come back here, instead I want this pie to split the series by percentage value. So if you put 10% here, it will only show you items that are below 10%. And for that case, it shows you only product 3. If I add other items, for example, if I divide these numbers and I have 500 here, I have 200, I have 60, and say 30 like that. So here you'll see I have something for 5% and 2%. And that way you see the total is the split everything that is below 10% and it has shown me here. Thanks for watching.